Melvin from hairtransplantnetwork.com. Today, I want to talk to you guys about when to expect hair transplant growth. So, for those of you who don't know, I underwent my fourth and hopefully my final hair transplant 3 months ago at Eugenics Hair Sciences, and I suffered a lot of shock loss. I mean, my hair looked considerably worse after the hair transplant as it did prior to the hair transplant, and I'm just barely getting back to baseline. And this can be, this is a topic that no one really talks about, right? Like on YouTube, you can find results, you can find, basic information, but nobody ever talks about the mental aspect of getting a hair transplant. And guys, to be honest with you, it is severely mentally taxing. It's an emotional roller coaster. At times you feel happy, at times you start to get panicked. All of this is normal. Okay. The whole reason for me creating this YouTube channel has never been to sell hair transplants or to sell you guys a fake fantasy. It's been to give you guys the truth, the raw truth. And I'm not even scripting this. This is just completely off the cuff because I found myself going on the Hair Restoration Network, looking at threads, looking at 3 months results, and then, to try to be a little bit, to get some reassurance pretty much. And this is normal. It's completely normal. I've been through this now 4 times and I still do this. Okay. So I just want you guys to know that this is absolutely normal. It's normal to sometimes get panicked. It's normal sometimes to feel like is my growth a little slow. So I want to give you guys the truth. Okay. When do hair transplants start to grow? The truth is that there is no magic number. Okay. It depends on you as an individual. If you had a lot of shock loss like me, usually at the 3 month mark, you're just getting back to baseline, meaning you're just getting back to looking how you did before you had your hair transplant. And this could be demoralizing for a lot of people, right? Because 3 months can feel like an eternity. I mean, my God, I felt 3 months felt like 2 years ago. But it's only been 3 months, and each day that you're waiting for the hair to grow and you're looking in the mirror and it's not growing and you're counting the minutes, you're counting the seconds, stop that. It's not going to help you. Okay. Don't count the days, don't count the weeks, count the months. Compare your progress from the previous month. Don't compare your progress from the previous day or the previous week because this is just going to drive you insane. So, on average, the growth starts around 3 months. But like I said, if you suffered a lot of shock loss, it could start maybe 3.5 months, 4 months. Okay. Some even at 5 months. So if you're at the 5 month or 6 month mark, there's no need to panic. Okay. There's no need to start calling the doctor or complaining yet because it's still early. Some people don't see full growth until 18 months. And that's the truth. So as difficult as it is dealing with it, having a hair transplant and spending a lot of money, traveling wherever you had to travel, and not seeing the results right away. Trust me, it's totally understandable to be frustrated or to, have panic set in, but you have to trust the process. I say this all the time. Trust the process. Trust the process. What does that mean? It means that you need to really put faith in your choice, right? Assuming that you did the right research, assuming that you went on the Hair Restoration Network and you researched the clinic and you looked at real reviews, you spoke to past patients, assuming all of those things, if you did all those things, you did your due diligence, all you have to do is be patient. Easier said than done. Believe me, I'm in that situation right now, okay? I'm speaking from experience right now. I just had a hair transplant 3 months ago and my hair is barely getting back to how it looked. Barely, right now. I haven't really seen that much new growth, a little bit, but not really, which is to be expected. Okay, if I would have not known the process, I right now I would probably be freaking out. I would probably be thinking, "What did I do? I made a huge mistake. Why did I spend this money?" Blah blah blah. But guys, if you're interested in learning about hair transplants, definitely go on the Hair Restoration Network. It's a great tool to research surgeons, to learn about hair transplants. I mean, I tell you guys every time, but seriously, it is a fantastic tool. And most importantly, it's free. Okay, that's really all I have for you guys today. I hope this video can help someone out there who may be struggling mentally with the aspects of a hair transplant. And to be honest with you, if it's you, if you haven't had a hair transplant just yet and you plan on getting one, just know that there's a mental aspect to it. You have to prepare yourself mentally. It's not going to be all butterflies and rainbows. It really isn't. It's a journey, and the reason why it's called a journey is because it has ups and downs, highs and lows, and it's just something that we have to go through. So I hope this video was helpful. If you did find it helpful, please give it a like. And if you like the content that I put on this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you think anyone would benefit from this information, please share it with them. All right, till next time.